So last week they got the left side track on. They ran out of pins to finish the job on the right-hand side track, so that's what's being done now.
Hi, it's Rich Bennett from the Ontario Regiment Museum again, and today we're back at our Panzer III going through to put on the last set of tracks. So I've got myself and my friend here, Nick King. Two of us are going to be engaged with our forklift driver, Ken Lee, and we're going to put the track onto the sprocket. So what it's going to involve is hooking up the forklift, which we learned from last time was strong enough to pull the tank. It's only about 18 tons, so the forklift has enough power to pull it. We're going to pull the tank all the way forward to the end of the track. We're going to hook a chain up to the back of the track, and then we're going to pull it with the forklift through the sprockets and come back up through, and it should pin up somewhere around here. Now on the last video we were talking about putting the track on. We said we were going to flip it over the sprocket and drive it to the back. What we found was it was a lot easier and a lot less grief to pull it forward over the track with the forklift. And once that's done, made it an easy job to pin it. So in short order, we're going to get this track on and installed, and we'll be able to take the Panzer out for its first test drive in about 6 months. So keep watching and stay tuned. Okay.